धन्यवाद। और अब हम इसी क्रम में बुलाना चाहेंगे आदरणीय सदस्य ताना जीरी।
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for this wonderful opportunity. Today I stand in this House to discuss on electoral behavior on voter and voter psychology from one nation, one election perspective. कल्पना कीजिए एक छात्र जो पढ़ाई के विषय में गांव से दूर शहर पे रहता है, उसके पास इतने पैसे नहीं कि छुट्टियों में या फिर त्योहार में वो बार बार घर आ सके। वो छात्र कैसे बार बार वोट देने गांव आएगा? और ए माइग्रेंट वर्कर स्किपिंग इलेक्शंस बिकॉज वन डेज लॉस्ट वेज मीन्स एन एम्प्टी स्टमक। ये उसकी देशभक्ति की कमी नहीं पर उसके पेट की भूख की शक्ति है जो उसे मतदान देने से रोकती है। When livelihood and migration drive millions away from their house, frequent elections becomes a privilege for the proximity and not just a universal right. And this is just not me speaking. There's a theory by Isaac Agen called the planned behavior theory. From voter psychology, it highlights the higher the cost and effort of voting, the lower the likelihood that people will participate in voting. So today, I come here to speak on one nation, one election, how it will reduce voter fatigue and increase voter participation. And according to the Election Commission of India and the Hindu report, states with simultaneous elections have shown higher voter turnout compared to those who have separate elections. For example, Andhra Pradesh with 81%, Arunachal Pradesh with 82%, Odisha with 74%, and Sikkim with 84% compared to those who have separate elections such as Bihar 51%, UP 56% and Maharashtra 61%. आदरणीय माननीय अध्यक्षीय महोदय, जब वोट देना हमारा हक है तो उसमें इतने कठिनाई क्यों? जो छात्र और प्रवासी मजदूर रोजी रोटी के लिए घर से दूर है, उसके लिए लोकतंत्र इतने दूर क्यों? So with this, people often say India's vast diversity make one nation, one election impossible. But today I stand to ask this. Is it not that at the sound of Jana Gana Mana every feet stands and every hand salutes? Is it not that the shout of Vande Mataram every feast rises in pride? Is it not that the melody of Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara every heart beats as one? And if our spirit unites beyond our differences, then why not our democracy? And if we stand as one nation, why not vote as one? One nation, one election will reduce voter fatigue and increase voter participation. With this, Honorable Speaker, today we are the world's largest democracy. But are we the most efficient one? And guess we all know this answer. But to make it more efficient, here is the resolution for one nation, one election. So I urge the House through Mr. Speaker that all of you please agree and support this resolution for one nation, one election. With this, Jai Hind, thank you.